The evolution of monitor technology, past, present, future. Title: The evolution of monitor technology, past, present, future. Introduction. From the bulky cathode ray tubes, CRT, of the past to the sleek and high-resolution displays of today, monitor technology has come a long way. As one of the primary interfaces between humans and computers, the evolution of monitor technology has had a significant impact on our daily lives. This article delves into the fascinating journey of monitor technology, highlighting key advancements and shedding light on the potential future developments. The early days, cathode ray tubes, CRTs. In the early days of computing, CRT monitors dominated the scene. These behemoths consisted of a glass tube that used a stream of electrons to create images on a phosphorescent screen. While bulky and heavy, CRT monitors were capable of displaying only limited resolutions and lacked the vibrant colors we see today. However, they paved the way for the development of more advanced technologies. 2. The rise of liquid crystal displays, LCDs. The emergence of LCD monitors marked a significant milestone in the evolution of display technology. LCDs work on the principle of liquid crystals that can bend light when subjected to an electric current. They offered several advantages compared to CRTs, including reduced size, weight, and power consumption. LCD monitors also brought about improved color accuracy and higher resolutions, making them an instant hit among computer users. 3. High definition and beyond, LED monitors. With the advent of light-emitting diode, LED, technology, monitors witnessed yet another significant leap in terms of picture quality and energy efficiency. LED monitors utilize tiny diodes to emit light and illuminate the display panel, resulting in enhanced brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. LED backlit displays also consume less power, making them eco-friendly and cost-effective. 4. A more immersive experience, curved and ultra-wide monitors. To enhance the visual experience for users, manufacturers started experimenting with curved and ultra-wide monitors. Curved monitors use a concave display shape, which aims to provide a more immersive experience by mimicking the curvature of the human eye. Ultra-wide monitors, on the other hand, offer an expanded horizontal field of view, enabling users to multitask more efficiently. These advancements have found popularity among gaming enthusiasts, graphic designers, and professionals in various industries. This technology has revolutionized the way we interface with computers, extending beyond traditional desktop setups to smartphones, tablets, and interactive whiteboards. Touchscreen monitors have ND applications in various industries, including education, healthcare, and retail, offering intuitive and engaging user experiences. The era of high-resolution displays, 4K, 8K, and beyond. As technology advances, the demand for higher display resolutions continues to grow. 4K monitors, with 4 times the pixel count of full HD displays, have already gained popularity among professionals in fields such as photography, video editing, and graphic design. The emergence of 8K displays promises an even more visually stunning experience, taking clarity and detail to new heights. However, with such high resolutions, the challenge lies in optimizing hardware and content creation to fully utilize the capabilities of these monitors. 7. The future, old, quantum dot, and beyond. The future of monitor technology holds exciting possibilities, with OLED and quantum dot technologies leading the way. Organic light emitting diode, OLED displays offer self-emissive pixels, resulting in infinite contrast ratios, improved color accuracy, and faster response times. Quantum dot QLED monitors, on the other hand, utilize quantum dots to enhance color reproduction and minimize energy consumption. These advancements bring us closer to achieving displays with incredible picture quality, flexible form factors, and reduced environmental impact. As we wrap up this article on the evolution of monitor technology, it's clear that the advancements in this field have had a profound impact on our daily lives. Looking ahead, OLED and quantum dot technologies are poised to shape the future of monitor technology even further. OLED displays offer infinite contrast ratios, improved color accuracy, and faster response times. Quantum dot monitors utilize quantum dots to enhance color reproduction and minimize energy consumption. These advancements hold the potential for incredible picture quality, flexible form factors, and reduced environmental impact. As we anticipate what the future holds, it's evident that the evolution of monitor technology is far from over. There is still immense potential for innovation and transformation in this field. We see and expect displays that push the boundaries of visual quality, efficiency, and user interaction. The monitor technology of tomorrow will continue to reshape our digital lives, ensuring that our computing experiences are more immersive, productive, and enjoyable than ever before. From the early days of bulky CRT monitors to today's sleek and high-resolution displays, monitor technology has come a long way. The evolution of monitor technology has had a significant impact on our daily lives, as it is one of the primary interfaces between humans and computers. In this article, we will delve into the fascinating journey of monitor technology, highlighting key advancements and shedding light on potential future developments. In the early days of computing, CRT monitors dominated the scene. These monitors consisted of a glass tube that used a stream of electrons to create images on a phosphorescent screen. However, they were bulky, heavy, and capable of displaying limited resolutions. Despite their limitations, CRT monitors paved the way for the development of more advanced technologies. The emergence of LCD monitors marked a significant milestone in display technology. LCDs work on the principle of liquid crystals that can bend light when subjected to an